This is TaxMac 2018. Essentially, it's a online tax calculator. What makes it, I think, especially good is that within a few minutes you can get very accurate results. There'll be a few exceptions. It doesn't cover every possible thing the way, say, TurboTax would, but it can do it so much quicker. So let me just quickly walk you through the screen here. Again, you can enter this for yourself or someone else or a hypothetical situation, but you're given some initial parameters which you can easily change. I'll just stick with some of these. Say you're married, keep everyone at 40, couple children, one still kind of young, one aging out of the child tax credit. And then for your income, again, it starts with 30,000. You can zero that out or raise it. And for each of these, some of them are not going to change, but let's suppose you have $10,000 of business income. The calculator includes the business tax credit. You might have some other of these. And then if you're married, you can do the same if your spouse also has some income. Finally, for tax savings, again, this is for the calendar year 2018, so you can actually leave this blank and it'll still calculate your tax liability. If you want to find out what your return is going to be, then you go ahead and enter how much taxes you have or will pay during the year. Adjustments to income. So this is things like an IRA contribution, if you own your own business and pay health insurance. There's a few other adjustments to income. Most people would not have one beyond any of these. There are some adjustments to income that are automatically made. As you can see here, if you own a business, you will pay payroll taxes, Social Security taxes, and you're given an adjustment for those. So you don't need to do that yourself, all done for you by TaxMac. Finally, here is the 1040 summary. And again, in this year, the taxes you'll file in, say, by April of 2019, there's a new 1040 form. Everyone will use the 1040, no more 1040 EZ. This is preliminary, but it's going to look something like this. I added a couple other lines of description. Fairly similar to before, but a lot of the information like adjustments to income are in another schedule. The tax credits are basically summarized in another page. Here, though, again, you can see this person's, we only entered a couple things. Most of the rest of this is explained or calculated within TaxMac. And finally here we can see this family who has a modest income and 2 children actually gets $2,201 refund without paying any taxes during the year. Another neat thing for some people would be to see, well, where did they save money? So here they had a child, which they got, part of that was non-refundable, and then the other balance up to $2,000 was refundable for this family. They also got the earned income tax credit. We could have checked other things for things like education or contributing to an IRA or having a solar panel put on the roof, and what they would have got further tax savings. So that's the main parts. There's a little more explanation on the EIC, which many people miss each year, and as you can see for this couple, it was a very valuable tax savings. And then there's some general tax Q&A stuff that may help you as you think about and prepare your 2018 taxes. Thanks. Always looking for feedback. So you can contact me at the information at the bottom of this slide or on the first page. Again, welcome to TaxMac. Hope it is useful for you.